What's good, y'all? Welcome, welcome. I'm Tone. I'm gonna teach y'all how to. Well, I'm gonna show y'all how I do my music. The way I do it on my phone, without no special equipment, without nothing crazy. I do it right on my phone, and I do it backwards. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm left-handed. So I write my music without a beat, like Freeway did, and I write my music without a beat, and then I put the music to it after I get the rhythm. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the phone, alright? And first thing I do is I get some lyrics. And pull up my book. Alright, so let's find something. No, hold on. Alright, so let's find something. Um let's do something simple. Let me find something, hold on. A lot of my stuff's already been put out, so I'm ciphering through everything right now. My cat just climbed up the stove like a nut. All right, I got this wrong. So I got the lyrics. I got the lyrics. Now I record them. I record the lyrics with no beat. Once I got the lyrics recorded with no beat, I try to read them. I find a rhythm. I find how the flow should go. You know what I mean? I get it in my head. And let me go from there. So let's see how this turns out. We're gonna put this at 96 beats per minute with some drums, some horns. It's gonna be a banger. Alright. See how this comes out. This is the first time I'm doing this song. I'm making it as I record this video. So we're 3 minutes in, and I'm about to produce this song. Give me like another minute or two. Give me, give me a second. Give me a second. So, got drums, stabs, and sustained blasts. The sonic palettes raw, triumphant, and unapologetic energy, just like it would come from the streets. You feel me? So, I think we got it right there. I think we got it right there. That's gonna do it for me. Alright, give me 1 second. And go. We got go. So, boom, there it is right there. Cannot be stopped. It's the name of the song. I'm gonna turn this up. Turn this on. So we're 5 minutes in and I got a song. Let me just turn it on the Bluetooth right now. Come on, yo. You won't turn on. Okay, that's fine. I don't give a shit. Alright. That's what I was saying.
Yeah. State property energy. You can't stop this. Let's go. Yeah, cannot be stopped. I'm a force of nature, unstoppable force. Cannot be stopped. Stand the course even when the road rock. Cannot be stopped. They shock me how I navigate obstacles. Cannot be stopped. Impossible made possible through hustle. Cannot be stopped. Muscle through the pain and it.
I'm not a fan of that one. This one might be better.
State property energy. You can't stop this. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cannot be stopped. Cannot be stopped. Yeah. State property energy. You can't stop this. Let's go. Cannot be stopped. Yeah. Cannot be stopped. I'm a force of nature, unstoppable force. Cannot be stopped. Stay the course even when the road rocky. Cannot be stopped. They shock you how I navigate obstacles. Cannot be stopped. Impossible made possible through hustle. Cannot be stopped. Muscle through the pain and adversity. Cannot be stopped. Certainly destined for the victory. Cannot be stopped.
But anyway, that's how it's done.
Cannot be stopped. Berserk with ambition. I'm addicted to the grind. Cannot be stopped. Mind over matter always. Cannot be stopped. They hate us through my fire.
I hope y'all learned from this. And I hope this has been informative. I hope y'all watch the channel, subscribe. We got good music on here, bro. Good music all the time. I'm dropping new stuff every week, every day right now. So share, like, subscribe, comment, all that. Be safe, y'all.